let's come to our cookbook and let's look at two quick items here. So first off, EDR deployment script. Let's copy this link address and throw it in the chat so you folks have the EDR deployment script if it's necessary. And then what we're also going to throw in here is our link to SentinelOne monitoring. So Michael brings up the very good point. If you're going to have EDR installed, you might as well be monitoring EDR. What's the use of the tool if you're not getting proper information out of it? And Michael, that EDR or the SentinelOne monitor will give you the appropriate information that you are looking for here and then some. So our output parameters highlighted here, right? We've got, is it running, right? So are we enabled, right? What is our status? Are we running our protections, AV status, build names, policy names, the whole 9 yards? Okay, so what are we looking at monitoring here as a check? So I didn't even mention this one because it's just, I have it on all my machines that have EDR. It was automatically included in that template, but you bring up a very good point. So what we'll look at doing inside the cookbook is coming in, downloading the script, right? Extracting from the zip file, and then repeating the same process that we saw. Load the script into the RMM as a script check. 120 seconds should be an appropriate timeout. Add it to the appropriate machine to create your template, or create your template and add the monitor script or the monitoring script to that template. Just keep in mind, folks, that monitoring templates for Macs, if we look at coming into templates, new device, actually, let's see if I have a Mac template first. Let's double check there, manage templates. Okay, we do have a testing template for Macs settings, and let's see if they updated our, yes, awesome. So we could have that inside a monitoring template for Macs inside the RMM. The kink in the chain is I do not have a pre-made script to automatically deploy for a Mac device. So that is something that's going to be a little bit more of a manual process. And of course, that's due to the fact that Apple likes to very much keep everything under tight control.